folks, Aaron here. I have a stock instrument. It's going with me to a couple music camps in September, and if it comes back, it'll be for sale online. This is number 726. It's an Alto ukulele, and it features a really beautiful curly Porterford cedar top and a simple stripy African mahogany back and sides, Spanish cedar neck, and jatoba for the fretboard, headplate, and bridge. So all this stuff is like salvaged wood in reality. The back and sides comes from a stash of guitar sides that I got 15 years ago in Denver. And so they were too small to make a full guitar with, but they're big enough for this. And the top, all this Porterford cedar was recently salvaged from my neighbor's place, actually. He's a retired flute maker, and he also made archery equipment, so he had some really nice Porterford cedar. And Porterford cedar grows here in Oregon. It's one of my favorite woods. The neck is salvaged from a luthier's estate, and the jatoba, fretboard, headplate, and bridge are scraps from the carpenter ant stash. So it's a beautiful alto. Oh, and it has some simple walnut binding, kind of framing things up. Yeah, it feels great. It's got a nice solid feeling, but it's got a brilliant tone to it. I really like it. And it feels good to use up some of these salvaged things, but create, a cohesive instrument on its own. So yeah, that's number 726. Thanks a lot.